welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. I'm Liz Charlton, and I did mention on my previous video, which is my homeware haul, I will have it linked just in the cards there, that I will be doing some home series, and in today's series I will be decorating my makeup area slash workspace. So the idea for this is to create like a gallery wall in my bedroom, and I decided that I want to use the space here to create that eye-catching gallery wall. I want when I walk into the room or anyone walking here, they're like, wow, that looks great. So that is what we're trying to achieve today, and if you want to see what I'll be doing to the space, just ensure to keep on watching. So before I jump into the video, I just wanted to show you guys my space here that I will be working with. So I recently changed my chair, and I'll ensure to link what I can below in the description box. So this is the area I will be working with. So let me just go ahead and give you guys like a quick tour. This desk here is one of the smaller desks, I think, from IKEA. I didn't want anything too big in here. I have this for a few years now. I probably should change it out, but I think it's fine in the space. It's very tiny, not much space going on the desk, so idea is to have nothing really on it. And this is the wall here that goes up. You can see it's really blank. There's nothing going on with the wall. It's quite boring, if I say so myself. So we're gonna be decorating this space. Begin with this area. What I'm gonna do is just remove all the contents that's on the desk, kind of make this area completely clear. We have a clean space to work with, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys the artwork that I will be putting up on this wall here. Somebody's crying, somebody's crying, So these are the artworks that I picked up from Desenio, guys. I'm just going to show you guys so you have like an idea of what I'm going for. See them. I also show it in my homeware haul, so you guys probably would have seen these artwork. I got around 4 of them to put on the wall here. What I'm gonna do is, because it's all rolled up, I'm gonna try and put them in the frame so you guys could see all the artworks that I'm working with. Also, to put the artwork on the wall, I got these really tiny nails. Normally I'll use like a command hook and strip. I'm gonna get some of those as well, and then where I don't have any left, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the nails. It will be fine. Yeah, they're really tiny and they're easy to patch up when I'm moving. So that is what I'm gonna do. I have the artworks here. I went ahead and I put them in the frame just so you guys could see them a little bit better, and I'm just going to show you the ones that I have. So I just have this one here. It just says love. Nothing really fancy. And I went ahead and I got like a thicker frame because I wanted it to I don't know, something different on the wall, I guess. And I got this one, which I already showed you guys. Like, my frames are from Wilko's, and this big one is from IKEA. Again, the prints are from Desenio. I wanted some green in my room, so I got like 2 greens, which is that one and this one here. And I also have this print. So this one is from Desenio as well. I got this one a few years back. This one isn't new. So I decided to just take it out from storage, and I'm going to try and incorporate that into the whole setup here. And the other one that I have, which is the bigger piece, is just this abstract figure. And it's kind of have like a nudish tone underneath, or beige. So this is how that looks, and the idea is to just put it up somewhere here and then kind of set everything else on on the wall. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and lay it out on the bed or something just to see how it will look before I go ahead and actually start nail my people. This is layout 1. So this will be over the direct corner of the wall, and then we'll have these 4 just lay out here, or I can have this as like the centerpiece and then have the rest of them like around it. But I don't know. Somebody's crying, somebody's crying, I need you love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. I'm kind of trying to see if I can set up the work so it's looking good or decent enough, because one of the artwork is like quite big, but I'm gonna like put the nails in like random places and then go from there just to see how it looks. I just want to see how it looks when it's on the wall. Where is my hammer? This is the artwork that I have going on so far. I'm wondering if I should put this one here or if I should just leave it as it is now. What you guys think? So I think I'm done with the wall space. This one is just a little bit crooked, as we say, and let me know what you guys think about the other piece here. I love it. It looks so much different, so much nicer. So next I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of decorate the decks and stuff, make the area kind of cute. So I have this map. I have this scratch map which I got for my birthday. Do you think I should put this one like here? What do you guys think? Does it look good? No? I'm gonna sleep on that one. Comment below, let me know what you think. Which one of the artwork I should put there, or should I just leave it as it is? I need to get like a wipe just to wipe off this desk. Somebody's crying, somebody's crying, I need you love today. I need you right away. finished with this wall and I am absolutely loving it. I think it came out so good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any requests of videos that you guys would like to see from myself, ensure to leave them down in the comment section below, and also let me know what you think about this artwork. This one is still a little bit wonky, but we're just gonna leave it. And also let me know if you think I should add like maybe 2 more pieces or just the 1 piece that I showed you guys in the video. And on the decks, I just have just a few things here, like a plant, my mirror, and then my echo dot just behind the mirror there. As I mentioned, my deck is quite small, so I didn't want too much things on the space here, and I just have my clear chair, which make the space look so much more minimal. Yeah, so that is it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and ensure you turn your post notification on. That way when I upload more videos, you guys will be able to be notified as the video them drop. And again, thank you so much for your support and for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.